This is a great day for democracy. We're not celebrating the liberty of peaceful and rightful protesters. These are things of matters of course in civilized societies. But the court has taken a decision that notwithstanding the high-flying charges against the defendants, they are entitled to their right to liberty as a matter of course. The court has granted each of the defendants bail upon certain conditions that we hope will be met in the next few hours or a day or thereabouts. But I raised another fundamental issue, which is the fact that a set of 49 defendants were remanded in court by a court order for 60 days under the law, Section 396 of the Act. The remand is supposed to be for a period of 14 days and to be renewed upon an application by the prosecution or by the states. Charges have been filed against 10 of the first set of 49 defendants. Another set of 79 defendants are languishing in prison custody as we speak, without trial, without arraignment in court. It should not be. What now happens to the first sets of 49 defendants and the remainder 39 of the first sets that are still languishing in prison custody, whose only sin was their daring to challenge the states to end bad governance and make the country better? When does it become a crime in this country to ask for a better country? The court is bound, as a matter of fact, to say that this other set of 39 defendants who has not been produced in court should be released alongside their co-detainees on bail. Bail is an article of good faith donated by the Constitution. It derives from the laws of God. God gave man in the Garden of Eden liberty. And the Constitution did not donate this right. The Constitution only reinforces the right, which is the law of God himself. No man, and I repeat, should be held in prison custody for demanding and asking for what is right, proper, and just. As we speak today, the landing price of fuel is 1,125 Naira, which is even above what the country is charging today. These are part of the grievances of the Nigerian citizens, which they are asking for, that governance be better. We're happy the court has granted a bill. We will perfect the bail conditions and we will move from there and come for the trial on the 27th for the state to prove its case. But we have also demanded that the body of evidence, the allegations that have been laid against the defendants, there is no scintilla of evidence before the court to prove those charges. We have demanded that the state should have the temerity and the balls to present this evidence in court on that day and furnish it to us ahead of time so we can adequately prepare for their defense. But God willing, liberty is sure.
First, let me sincerely appreciate the kind ruling of my Lord. Bail has been granted to the like sum of 10 million Naira. And with the production, yes, 10 million Naira, with the production of a surety, one surety to each of the defendants. With their they will deposit their international passport and their recent passport and their NIN, that is National Identification ID cards. I think that's all. Yes. And the surety must be a resident of FCT Abuja and must have a landed property in Abuja. I think that's the condition.